Hello everyone. In this class we are going to learn two important things which are needed to perform a for loop in Python program. The first one is range of function. Range of n. This is a function which creates a sequence of the integers with n elements. It will create from 0 to n minus 1. This can also be mentioned as range of 0, n. So here remember n is not included. Previous to that number itself it will stop. So for example, range of 6 or range of 0, 6. When we are giving this, Python creates a sequence of integers starting from 0 and then stops at 5. The range function can also be with two arguments. When we are giving two arguments, this will create a sequence of integer from m until n minus 1. For example, if we are giving range of 4, 10, this will create a sequence 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Remember, not 10. Range of function can also have three arguments, say L, M and N. It creates a sequence of integer from L to M minus 1. So here N will be the steps. For example, if I have range of 1, 10, 3, what happens? It will start from 1, it will end by 9, but the steps given to it is, if we take a number line like this, 1 is starting and then 2 and 3 are skipped and then it jumps to 4 and then it jumps to third step, that is 7. Then after 7 it should go to 10, but 10 is not included, so it stops by 7. The sequence will be 1, 4 and 7. When we are having only two arguments, that is the second one 4, 10, how it acts? The steps by default it takes as plus 1. So this is the meaning. So it is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The next important thing is in and not in operators with range of function. In operator checks whether the mentioned integer is in the given range of integers and returns Boolean value accordingly. Similarly, not in operator checks whether the mentioned integer is not in the given range of integers and returns Boolean value accordingly. For example, 14 in range 8, 20, 2. This means the elements are 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. So whether 14 is there in this range or not? Yes, it is true. So it will return true. The next example, 3 in range 12, 1, minus 2. Here the step value given as minus 2. The elements should be 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. 3 is not available in that. So it will return false. The next example for not in. 1 not in range 8. See, 8 means it starts from 0 and then ends at 7. So 1 is there. You are checking not in. So it is false. One more example, 3 not in range minus 6, 0. The elements will be minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. 3 will not be there. So this is true. Let me execute and show all these. Let me give x is equal to range of 7. It should be 0 to 6, right? So if I ask what is x, then it says 0, 7. But how do we know elements are created? Let us put this into list. Just I say list of x. So you can see 0 to 6 is created as list. Similar way, range of 10, 20 I give. And then just I convert directly into list. You can see from 10 to 19. So far we have not seen list, but just understand for time being that list of elements are put it into square bracket becomes list in Python. Elements are separated with comma. We will see elaborately list in future lesson. So let me check with 3 arguments. List of range of 5, 25, 3. See, it starts from 5, 6, 7 it will not take, 8 it will take, then 11, like that it will be going until 24. So that means not exactly 24, before that whatever element comes, it stops there. So you can see that 23 is the last element. So now similar way, let us check some negative integers. List of range of minus 50, 6 I give. Let me give list of range of minus 20, minus 25. What will happen now? See here, from minus again it is going in negative way. So it is not incrementing, it is decrementing. This cannot happen because the third argument by default it is plus 1, not minus 1, correct? So let us check. So there are no elements put it into it. If I give same thing, list of range of minus 20, minus 25, minus 1. It will go up to now minus 24. Okay, let us check in and not in. So 5 in range 10 I say. So that is 0 to 9, right? It will be true. If I say minus 20 in range 2, 5, that should be false. Now let me check minus 20 not in range 2, 5. It is not there, so it will show us true. T not in range 10, 100, the step is 5. So 50 is included, right? It says not in range, so it will be false. I hope you are clear in this concept. Let us meet in the next class learning for loop. Thank you all.